Hi there. Thank you so much for reading this week's newsletter. I know I'm popping in here just to show you a little bit about the new Valentine's Day decodable readers. These are the friendship stories. So you'll find 8 little books. Here's one of them, Dot's Hug. That's from one of the easier ones with CVC. And then I have another one that I'm going to show you how to put together, salt and pepper. So when you print out the pages, they'll be single-sided. You want to fold them in half. And then you're going to take out that cover page and just put it aside. And then what you're going to do is just pull out one sheet at a time and place them face down. And just pull up one piece and put it face down on top of that and create a pile of pages. Okay, and so then you end up with this little stack of pages and crease them really well. Then pop the whole stack, you should see page 2 on top, into that cover page. All right, so that the fold lines are on the outside. And that way you have a double-sided book. And you just staple it. And there is salt and pepper. I love salt and pepper because there's a couple of puns in there that I think both grown-ups and kids will like. We'll see if they get the joke with those. So there's 2 of them right there. You'll also get some word cards. So these are just really low prep, easy, time-saving decodable stories. As we all know, kids love reading these because they can feel success, they're confidence boosting, and it's really motivational. So check those out, and I hope you enjoy them. Bye.